God had reigned, no ancient shrine, no priestly chain. The king drew lines in naked sand, a sacred ground by royal hand. Between the cliffs and rising light, where Aten's disk stood clear and bright, no memory bound this chosen land, a city born by one command. He turned from thieves and Amon's halls, from crowded gods and temple walls, the wealth, the rights, the ancient ways, replaced by open skies and rays. No hidden god in shadow space, no cult confined to stone and face. Only the sun from dawn to end could touch both king and common man. Akhetaten, city of the sun, no past to rule, no wars to run. Built for light, for breath, for truth, a kingdom shaped in sudden youth. No ancient god, no sacred light, just open earth and endless sky. A fleeting dream in brick and stone, a city standing all alone. The walls no longer carved with fear, no frozen kings, no forms severe, but bending bodies, fragile lines, the truth of flesh in human signs. The royal house in daily life, the king, his daughters, queen and wife, shone beneath the Aten's grace, with tender touch and on his face. White streets, sun courts, houses bright, workshops filled with color and light. Scribes, artisans, priests of the sun, all served a god that could not run. But far beyond the city's wall, the empire's strain began to fall, as letters came from distant lands, unanswered by the royal hand. Akhetaten, city of the sun, no past to rule, no wars to run. Built for light, for breath, for truth, a kingdom shaped in sudden youth. A perfect vision, sharp and new, but roots too shallow to hold it through. For cities born by faith alone can fade as fast as they have grown. When Aten's servant left this world, the royal banners soon were curled. The court withdrew, the altars broke, the old gods rose, the past awoke. Stone by stone the city died, its name erased, its gods denied, left to send to into time, a broken verse in Egypt's rhyme. Akhetaten, city of the sun, a revolution just begun, in art, in faith, in royal claim, a city built to change the game, though lost to dust, erased by hand, its vision still helps us under different teachers.